We're going to show you how to use transfer tape on leather. So we've got 1-inch and 6-inch transfer tapes. And what this is it's a non-woven, double-sided adhesive tape. And what it does is it helps to prep your work. So let's say you're on the production floor, you're doing a bunch of products that you need to do a bit of prep work for. This helps to hold it together. So if you're going to be riveting or sewing at a later date, this will hold it in the meantime. So we've got a piece here with 2 holes. This is sticky. So what I'm going to do is, it's tearable. You can tear it or you can cut it with a knife. So tear it off. I'm going to apply it to the side here. Make sure you're getting it all over every edge. You're really rubbing it in. So a little trick, use the sharp tip end of the blade, push down and pull away and get it started. You pull straight down. So there you go. So you've got the adhesive down, and we are going to be prepping this because we're going to rivet this later. So we're going to line up the 2 holes. Apply some pressure. So there you go. So now you're prepped. So when you go to rivet it, you're not holding it in the riveting machine. You're going to go right in and rivet down. So it's a great prep work. The larger size, the 6-inch. So this is more so if you've got odd shapes that you need a special area. You're not going to apply the whole thing. The idea here is we're going to be sewing all the way around, but we want to hold it together so you're not holding the 2 pieces while you're sewing. So we're going to put this in. We're going to apply pressure all the way around. Then we're going to pull. So there we have it. That is a full layer. You can also see it here. So you still have some space, so you can use it for other shapes. And then take this, place it over, add a little pressure. And the other benefit compared to glue, say barge, is barge dries. There's a set time. This, you attach it, put it to the side. You can come back a week later. So there you have it. That's how you use our transfer tape.